चलो भाग बीनी भाग, मैं पहले स्वरा से पूछूंगी, was there and Beanie Bhatnagar, was there a inner comic in you that was waiting to come out?
Well, I mean, there's definitely an inner jackass in me, and an inner idiot in me that's always on display. I think that comics have the amazing skill of making the ridiculous seem funny and smart and poignant. Oftentimes, I have obviously not achieved that skill yet, but I definitely have been. I mean, I think that I admire what comics do a lot. And so when I heard that this was the opportunity, I was obviously terrified. And it was a chat. My idea was, my first reaction was literally, oh my God, I don't think I can do that. And then I was like, oh my God, I really have to try and do it. So that's really how I came on board. And then to my horror, discovered that basically they had already tested a lot of comics for this part. And I was like, oh, great. So at the end of this show, I will have another whole community hating me. But no, everyone was really sweet. And I actually leached off a lot of these guys. Varun, of course, Bichara didn't have a choice because he was in the show. But even a lot of other comics, I actually went out and befriended a lot of them in a very opportunistic manner. But I was very honest with them. And I tried very hard to hang out. I was like that loser, always wanting to hang out with comics, try and be like, oh, ye cool log, मैं कुछ सीख लूं इनसे. So I had that, a whole 3 months of that happened before the show.
Something like a
Yeah,
character in the show, मैं आपका spot ले लूं. It is very urgent. मेरे rabbits मर गए, मैं आपका spot ले लूं. वही हुआ था पूरा.
मतलब वही उसी टाइप का कि मतलब ऐसे फेवर्स ले रही थी मैं कॉमिक से कि प्लीज मुझे 15 मिनट जाने दो ना स्टेज पे. I'll just go before you and like tell me what to do and all that. Yeah, quite a loser. Really dabbled in my loserly side as well.
But before I ask the two of you, स्वरा एक बात बताओ, पिछले 8 महीनों से आपके साथ मेरी जो बातें हो रही हैं, it's like intense roles. Now, was this like a breather for you personally?
I'm
After
very
chasing
much so,
people,
and I'm
knocking
really
them out?
happy. Yeah, I'm very happy that there is no cause. There is no Nara. There is no Jhanda. There is no Parcha in this show. I am very happy, and I think that it just I think we've had such a heavy, depressing year that I think Bhagbini Bhag really offers like a light. I think we could all. I really think we all need a reason to smile, and I think that Bhagbini Bhag really gives us that reason. And for me personally, it was really nice to find like to be doing a light, like a light, fun role that's just fun. And there is something very poignant about the series, and whenever you watch it, I think you'll feel it as much as all of us. But essentially, it's very heartwarming. It's very uplifting. There's a really nice vibe. There's a friend, there's a vibe of friendship and warmth in the show, which you'll feel in all the interactions, whether it's me and Kapi, whether Dolly, whether it's me and Varun, whether it's me and my parents, Ravi and me, and all the whole vibe. It's a lovely, very very fun, uplifting show, and I felt quite liberated to not have to carry a jhanda. Yes.
एंड डॉली, नाउ यू, हम तो मिलते थे, आप राजू की मम्मी कर रहे होते थे और मैं लोगों को इंटरव्यू कर रही होती थी. नाउ यू ऑन द अदर साइड, आई एम आस्किंग यू, व्हाट वाज इट लाइक फॉर यू? Because I still feel you just might break out into a Raju ki mummy, but you're not dressed like Raju ki mummy.
Yeah, you really need the dress for her. But no, man, I'm enjoying this tables being turned, so thank you for that. On the set was a completely different experience. Of course, I know, I've seen BTS videos of so many shoots. I know that set पे क्या होता है, कितने बड़े-बड़े cameras होते हैं, so many things go on. And because of our, promotional shoots only, I had a hunch of कि, इतने सारे spot boys होते हैं, दादाs होते हैं, all of that. But to be on a set and then act was a completely different, it was so out of proportion for me because I shoot with a tripod. या ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 5-6 लोगों की team होती है, even if we go out and do promotion. So for me to have hundreds of people on set, having each a job assigned to them, and doing your dialogue while they wait in silence for you, that was nerve-wracking completely. And I remember the first couple of days were really hard for me to grasp because I was so intimidated by just the presence of so many people. But thanks to my co-stars like Swara and Varun, who really honestly put me in a cocoon, you know, of love and like, क्या है problem, क्या है बताओ, what are you feeling? Varun used to take me on walks. Swara had given us her vanity for food, for everything we need. And I opened up and I had, after a point when your co-stars are fun, when you have kind of a, you know, like a relationship there, I think it really helps. So I started talking to the other people also. So once you start knowing them and humanize everyone, kind of, I think it really helped. And that, yeah, kind of set me in line after a point. But initially I felt like a lost, you know, a cub in the jungle or something. I don't know. I felt completely lost for sure.
So Varun, you know, Vicky Malhotra, वो तो आप कॉमिक भी हो, आप एक्टर भी हो, यहाँ ये दो एक्टर्स कॉमिक ट्राई कर रहे हैं. तो विकी मल्होत्रा के सीसीटी के हमने सब सुन लिए है ना, स्ट्रगलिंग एक्टर्स के व्हाटएवर. तो आज मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ, व्हाट इफ यू वोक अप एज स्वरा एंड डॉली, व्हाट वुड यू डू?
If I woke up as Swara, I would delete my Twitter account. क्योंकि मेरे में उतने गट्स नहीं है जितने स्वरा में है, तो मैं तो अपना पहले ट्विटर अकाउंट डिलीट कर लूंगा. एंड इफ आई वोक अप एज डॉली, आई वुड बी सुपर हैप्पी, क्योंकि मेरी इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोइंग फिर क्या भयानक होती. मैं अभी तक वो 50 कमेंट के साथ एंगेजमेंट कर रहा हूँ, और यहाँ डॉली इज क्रॉसिंग मिलियंस. शी हैज अमेजिंग इंटरैक्शन, शी इज डूइंग सच अ वाइड वैरायटी ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स. So I mean, I'd be happy if I woke up as either of them. It would be an upgrade of waking up as me.
But you're also comic. अगर यहाँ आपको दिया नहीं है इन्होंने कॉमेडी करने का, you know, whatever. So what was it like for you?
नहीं, मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा था. ऐसे एक तो जोक दे दो यार, एक तो जोक दे दो. ठीक है, पूरे टाइम में सोच रहा, अच्छा अभी ना आएगा अरुण, और अभी अरुण कुछ एक फनी लाइन बोलेगा, लेकिन ये अरुण तो फनी है ही नहीं. ये तो रियल एस्टेट डेवलपर है, एकदम सदोरा सीधा साधा आदमी है. So I mean, yeah, I was kind of feeling that I wish I had gotten to do some comedy, but then that would completely take away from the character, right? Because when you watch the show and you see Arun, there is no scope for a quick witty line coming from him. Okay, that's not him at all. So yeah, it was a little like sad. I wish I had a joke, but honestly, as an actor, as a performer, you want to show that you have little bit more range than just doing comedy, and that's what playing Arun gave me. You know, now people know that I can be a chomu in a show, and I can pull it off really well.
True. So, Swara, what makes Binay funny, honest, poignant, and brazen? I mean, what does it actually take for it's a niche profession, basically, stand-up comic, basically for women. So what does it take for her to find her own and speak out?
As I said, I mean, I must not claim to know any more about the profession of being a stand-up comic and, you know, any more than I do, which is really not much at all. But I think that I can, as an audience member who's watched stand-up comedy, both with boys performing and girls performing, I think that the first thing, which is actually true for all performers, more so if you're facing a live audience, is to lose your inhibitions. And I think that that what often happens with young people in India is that we don't realize this, but we're actually parented with a lot of inhibitions. You know, Indian children and South Asian children, perhaps, we actually grow up with a lot of don't do this, don't do that. ये नहीं कर सकते, वो नहीं कर सकते, this rule, that rule, a lot of fears, a lot of training to be cautious, a lot of training to be fearful. And in girls, of course, that's exacerbated to a whole other level. I think the kind of log kya kahenge, log kya kahenge, you know, this comes into you in ways in which you don't even realize. And I am now realizing this when I'm like in my 30s, when in another way, that I, who have claimed to be so feminist and fighting for all these causes and all, have deeply imbibed some of the most traditional, like, you know, expectations of women. So I think that as a female stand-up comic, I think the first thing you have to lose is this idea ki log kya kahenge, because the whole point of doing stand-up is to not give a shit about log kya kahenge, and then turn that turn that whole mentality to itself. And I'm sure Varun and Dolly would know better because they've done this more. But I think that would be a big challenge. I'm assuming that your parents, I think for any freelancer, for any profession that does not guarantee stability, this is something that as an actor I've also faced. Your parents worry. I mean, all Indian middle class parents, the one thing they want is that the child has a stable income. So that must be a scary thing as well. And then I think that the anxiety that comes from a profession that is not stable, which again is true for acting, it's true for theater, it's true for if you're a dancer or a musician, artist, and a stand-up comic. I think that would be a scary thing as well. But I actually, from looking at, from my loserly days of chasing all these guys, those 3 months, I've actually discovered that these fellows make a lot more money than I do. And I am actually now beginning to wonder whether I should have, whether I made the wrong choice. Because
You can still switch professions.
influencers and the content creators are more popular than I am, and I have more followers than I have. The comics are making more money than I am, and are also better liked and are more famous than I am. So what I'm doing, I don't know.
डॉली वरुण बताओ अब कह दिया
नहीं, ये तो
हमने,
सरासर झूठ है। ठीक, ये सरासर झूठ है। कहाँ है ये पैसे? मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कहाँ है ये पैसे? मुझे तो नहीं दिए किसी ने।
This is a clear.
No, but honestly,
You can do a
honestly,
super
if
good in
Swara
Jolly and
wanted
show me
to
the
write-
money.
No, if Swara wanted to, she can. Like with little more work, she can totally become a comedian. Now she's being all modest and all. कि वो मैंने अपना ये किया वो किया. I've seen her perform. She is supremely confident. She has all the jokes in place. और वो किसी को भी खा जाएगी. Okay, little bit more stage time, and I think she's good to go to become a comedian. Swara,
Honestly,
honestly,
डॉली and वरुण, yeah, जी.
You will be writing my sets,
दोनों ये
Varun, as last time.
sorry, Pooja. What?
तो मिला नहीं कॉमेडी का वो. But there's a line in the series where they say कि stand up comedy करनी है, जोकर बनना है क्या? Dolly, Varun, did you actually face it before you embarked on this career? Like Dolly is not a stand up, but she makes us laugh with her posts.
100%.
Yeah,
I think
completely.
any comedian. Sorry, Dolly, go for it.
Please go, Varun.
पहले आप.
So I feel like this, anyway, our careers are so misunderstood. Most people don't know what goes behind. For most of them, it's also an easy job. Like, अरे वीडियो ही तो बनाते हो, अरे तुम जोक ही तो मारते हो, 2 लाइन ही तो बोलते हो, हंसाते ही तो हो.
Yeah.
They don't understand the hard work that goes behind everything, right? So anyway, we are misunderstood all the time. And then there is this whole thing of like, yeah, so what I was saying was that that whole thing is there. And then when you meet someone, they always expect you to crack a joke and, be funny all the time. That whole pressure is also there. तो मतलब जोकर तो वो समझते ही है हमें कि मतलब तुम अगर वहाँ कहीं भी तुम एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हो तो तुम लोगों को हंसा क्यों नहीं रहे हो, क्योंकि ये तो तुम्हारा जन्म सिद्ध मतलब तुमने अब बना लिया है अपना कि एक वो बना लिया है कि अगर तुमने कॉमेडी करना शुरू किया है तो तुम हंसाओ अब सबको. तो किसी भी माहौल में हो तुम्हें हंसाना है. बट आई थिंक वरुण का तो और ज्यादा होगा. स्टैंड अप आई फील लाइक इज इवन वर्स व्हेन इट कम्स टू दैट.
No, because watching the trailer as well. Mona ma'am and Hari sir have this line when they're talking to Beanie and they ask Beanie कि ये तुम जाके जो स्टेज पे जोक्स बोलती हो लोग आते हैं देखने, तुम्हें पैसे मिलते हैं ये चीजों के. These are actual legitimate questions that the parents of any comedian, content creator has at some point of time asked them because they couldn't fathom. My parents know. अच्छा एक Johnny Lever है, ठीक है. Now you know he makes money. He's one of the best comedians ever to have existed. उसके बाद they have no reference point. They don't know who Seinfeld is. They don't know who George Carlin is. They don't know who Bill Burr is. Whatever. So when I told them कि मुझे comedy करनी, they all had this expression on their face, both of them. They're like, वो सब तो ठीक है, लेकिन career में क्या करना है? You know what I mean? When I told them, so there was always that thing where, and when they had to talk to their friends, and their friends would ask them, what is Varun doing nowadays? My dad would literally do this. I'm not even kidding. He would do this, something creative, and then follow it with this hand action. I was like, why is this the symbol of creative aadmi? You know what I mean? They would never just say creative. He's creative. I'm like, I'm not creative. I'm ACB Pradyuman from CID. Okay, don't do. What is this? And that is what was happening till the time they came to watch a show. So it was at the
Uh-huh.
comedy store in Bombay, and my parents have both come, and I have gone to close the show. And it's a packed house, 300 people have laughed loudly, and I've gone out to meet them after the show, and people are coming and congratulating me, saying they love my show, and my parents are standing next to me. And that's when it started hitting them that, यार ये सचमुच का कुछ है, ऐसे टाइम पास नहीं कर रहा है, इतने लोग आ रहे हैं, he is performing well. My dad looks at me, okay, now we know, now we believe you. Here, you can keep the car for tonight. That was his sign of approval. आज गाड़ी में आना, घर पे ये गाड़ी में आना.
Sweet,
Awesome.
so sweet.
But actually, among the three of you, अपना sense of humor describe करो. I mean, what is your like level sense? How would you describe your sense of humor?
हम तीनों इकट्ठे
Our
काफी
own ones?
पागल हैं. I realize. I think
Your
there
own
were
sense of
times
humor,
when
हाँ, हाँ.
we four of us would just sit and just talk rubbish. Okay, there was no like head or tail. वो शुरू हुई बात कहाँ से और हम पहुंच गए कहाँ पर और पागलों जैसे हंसते जा रहे हैं. और हम तीन के बीच में रवि भी है. अभी रवि की हिंदी बहुत गंदी है. And as
Yeah.
as an Indian person, when you meet a foreigner, I mean Ravi is technically Indian but NRI, हमारा आधा टाइम जाता है, अच्छा रवि ये गाली बोल के सुना, अच्छा रवि वो वाली गाली बोल के सुना, you know, because
It's such an
that never
Indian-
gets old for us. Such an Indian thing to
Yeah,
do.
it's such an Indian thing to make foreigners abuse and then get cheap thrills out of it.
And laugh,
I
and laugh
think-
loudly, like
Yeah,
it's,
and laugh. Yeah, it was a really fun set because actually there was a lot of really cool people on it who actually are funny people. Like even the showrunner, like Debbie, is actually a really funny
Hilarious,
person.
yeah.
Debbie Rao, the showrunner. Ravi, who's the creator and is the actor Ravi Patel. He's hilarious. But I'm a big jahil, so मुझे ऐसे अमेरिकन स्लैंग ना शब्द अक्सर समझ नहीं आते थे. तो रवि के काफी सारे जोक्स मुझे समझाना पड़ता था उसको. And Dolly and Varun, of course, are great fun. But I think that we really had fun. My I don't know, my personal sense of humor actually I think is just like it's scatological, it's full of abuses, and it's self-deprecating, which is not smart because I literally have I speak in this way, and then I've actually had a headline that says I am an idiot, confesses Swara Bhaskar. And then my managers have looked at this and they're like, perhaps not smart to be giving out these kind of headlines. I always sound like a jackass in headlines somehow. So I think that, yeah.
डॉली, आपका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर कैसा है वैसे? आई एम श्योर वेरेवर यू गो
हाँ।
दे ऑल मस्ट बी सिंग राजू की मम्मी जैसे बात करो.
So my characters are completely different people. Actually, I talk about them as a different persona altogether. Like, they are different people. But if I have to talk about Dolly, I think my sense of humor is very low, very awkward, self-deprecating, just like Swara's always. And it falls in awkward moments. I always have this thing called verbal diarrhea, which my friends say. And every time I meet someone important, every time I would meet celebrities, when we used to do promotion shoots us time pay and in characters, I would say the worst things. I would say whatever, and sometimes Kusha would have to pull me out. Like, what are you trying to say? So, so my funny moments are the more awkward moments, basically. Other people can laugh at me. I wouldn't enjoy that. But yeah, when I do my characters, then I'm literally living someone else. So that's a different deal.
आप बताओ वरुण, क्या
Keep
डिफरेंट
eating,
होता?
keep
जिससे
eating yummy
realistic?
food.
अगर
Yeah,
अरुण
Varun's
पेरिस में होता,
हाँ,
यार,
या न्यूयॉर्क
I
में
mean,
होता?
I think he would be the same. He would be the same pretty much anywhere. सिर्फ वो French बोलता, merci beaucoup. I think that would be the only thing that would change, because he is very set in who he is and what he wants and what his idea of an ideal life is. तो वो life बॉम्बे में हो, पेरिस में हो, न्यूयॉर्क में हो, हर जगह सेम होता. गाड़ियां बदलती, भाषा बदलती और थोड़े कपड़े बदलते. I think.
So if you three had to start a rumor about yourself, what would it be? हाँ डॉली,
मैं
आप
rumor
बताओ.
start
वरुण, डॉली. हाँ,
कि वरुण ने नई धर्मा पिक्चर साइन कर ली है.
Oh my god, I was just gonna say
वो हो
something
जाएगा
like
शायद
that.
इसके बाद.
Wow.
Inshallah.
He's just setting it out to the universe, sending it out to the universe.
Manifesting.
Yes.
Manifest kar.
Manifesting.
डॉली, आप
Yeah,
बताओ.
my rumor is the same. My rumor is the same, that I'm in like high demand, you know. And when you put it out there like that, na, ki Dolly or something is in high demand, then more people want to have it. So just that rumor is
Correct.
enough, so that people come.
Thanks for giving me that tip. मैं भी ऐसे ही कुछ करती हूँ. So if you had to pick up a celebrity to be the mother or father of your child, who would it be?
Okay, ladies, y'all go first.
I'm thinking. A celebrity.
नहीं मतलब अभी ख्याली पुलाव बनाना है तो ऐसे नाम तो बहुत रेडी है मेरे पास.
चलो बना लो खले.
I would go with Shishmita Sen.
Oh.
Nice.
Yeah.
And why so? Why
I-
did you pick on her?
Because I mean I don't know her personally, but incredibly good looking, and I think she's super smart. She just has this aura and personality which sort of transcends who she is, and I think she seems like a very smart woman, you know, and she's obviously always been out there. She's been quite brave in all the things that she's done, so why not? वैसे मेरा असली क्रश करीना कपूर है.
अच्छा.
So I have a question. इनको ये celebrities को सिर्फ अपना sperm या अंडा देना है या उनको parenting भी करनी है?
That was also my question.
That's quite important.
That's actually
Yeah.
yes.
Only sperm लेना है तो but parenting भी करनी है, then I don't know. So that's we have to decide this.
Stick to the sperm then. I mean, it's anyway
Only
single
sperm.
mom's rule, yeah. Rule the world.
Sperm bank, yeah, exactly. मेरा तो वही vibe लग रहा है. So I think obviously because I have no shame, and because I'm his official stalker, I'm a Shah Rukh Khan. Sorry about that.
I knew.
I'm saying this is the most respectful way possible. Just
Yeah.
genetic, biological, DNA sense.
Yeah, I would say the same, Shah Rukh
Hello.
Khan. And even if I have to say
Yeah,
parenting,
those
because I feel
looks,
like
that
he has,
wit, that charm, that humor, that intelligence. I mean that, yeah. Totally.
I think Swara has made me a bigger fan of Shah Rukh. वो इतना बोलती है
I'm
Shah
sorry,
Rukh के
guys.
बारे
I'm
में.
sorry. I know it's a disease.
And he's an emotion. He's actually an emotion, and I so resonate with
Yeah.
Swara when she puts up those posts. He's an emotion. I think for all of us,
Yeah.
for that generation especially. And lastly, ladies, Swara, जब दीनी को हम देख रहे हैं ना, जब वो अपना ह्यूमर करती है, शादी के बारे में बता रही है. Do you think the Bechdel test can happen when it comes to comedy, where women have a conversation without having a man involved? Dolly and you, because हमेशा का, and वरुण से भी ये पूछ सकते हैं, is it possible to have it? That no man involved, women have a conversation about women, but no reference to a man.
I mean, why not?
Yeah.
I would let the women answer that question because yeah, but I'm sure they can.
Because our
And they-
films usually fail.
I think that, I mean, so the thing is that I think that a lot of the times, so for me, a lot of the times when I'm not talking about cinematic content, but I think that what I've noticed with fiction, with non-fiction, and with especially with stand-up, is that people are talking about their experiences, right? They're basing that comedy on their experiences. I think that we live in a society that does not allow us to forget that we're women. I think that we actually are made to constantly feel that we're women. So I don't know that you can have an honest conversation about your experiences and deny the gender aspect of it. And this is something that I have had to learn and realize is happening at work more than at home. I have never felt my gender in my personal context at home, but I have always felt it very keenly at work. So I think that that's roughly my I don't know about Bechdel tests and all that, but that is, I think that that's why a lot of female comics also, you hear their content and a lot of it is about the experience of being a woman, because
True.
you're not letting us forget it.
True. So thank you so much, the three of you, for talking to me. So which is that one thing that will make you run away? Just a bhag, dhini, bhag. Which is personally in life one thing that you would want to do a bhag. यहाँ से तो कट ले.
Oh, okay. You know what I act, and this is absolutely 100% true. You know what makes me just run away at the mere sight of it? Insects. I am a severely entomophobic person. कि अगर कॉकरोच दिख गया, lizard दिख गई, wasp दिख गया, I run in the opposite direction. Other things I'll take it like headstrong, but कीड़े दिख गए ना, मैं तो भाग जाऊंगा. तो मंडप को पहले सैनिटाइज कराना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अगर मंडप में चिपकली है तो मैं तो भाग रहा हूँ.
Right.
But now I know what to
चलिए आप
give you.
बताओ. हाँ, सैनिटाइजर दे देना उसको बॉक्स. वैसे that's the best gift to
मैं-
give.
Insects.
Dolly?
Sorry, I thought she was being nice.
Um,
किसी से भाग.
I would I run away at the thought of like parties which are full of pretentious people. So that's just somewhere
No
Pretty
wonder
much
you mock
every
them in
party.
your show.
basically everybody.
Every Bollywood party. Ever. Also every Delhi
Swara, आप
party
किस चीज
ever.
से भागोगी? स्वरा इज ऑलवेज दैट फेसिंग स्टफ ना. मैंने स्वरा को भागते हुए नहीं देखा, तो इसलिए पूछते हैं. बीनी तो भाग गई मंडप से.
I want to
True.
run. Can I run away from my? I don't know. What should I run away from? Can I run? I don't know. Political questions, political interviews. Actually, I don't run away from.
You run away from it, or you run towards
Can
it.
I run away from this pandemic? Can I run the fuck away from this goddamn pandemic?
Take us all along with you, yeah. If you find a way, take us all along. But thank you, guys.
that's what I
Lovely chatting with you. All the very best. And thank you for giving us a reason to laugh. We really need the laughter. Thank you so much.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye. Bye. Bye.